What up, players? It's Warboss Tap in this mud. So behind my lady boss's house is like this place where you're not supposed to go. It's got barbed wire fencing, and then a little trail, like right here between the barbed wire fence and the fence of the house next door. So we're gonna hike it. Exciting! Oh, Friday the 13th, y'all. Flowers. What? Oh. Secret government facility where they're developing the newest strain of the T virus. Whoa. You see your house? Ooh, rainbow.
Don't film me. I'm
Jazzercise. Can't believe this is an approved trail. Look how crazy steep it is. Whoa. Hey, there's my house.
Where?
Can you see it?
Can you see it? Is this garden?
Yeah, it's going to the right.
Right.
Yeah, it's kind of behind this hill. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Look at up there.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Man, this trail is crazy. Look at us, we're in a Hobbit movie. Lord of the Rings, y'all. Ooh. Honolulu's way out there. This is the valley where my family home is. Hello. And there's more Honolulu and Coco Head and crazy this trail. This trail is crazy. I think I've said that a couple times already. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa, look how easy it is to fall off the entire mountain on this side. No rail. Ooh, other hikers.
Where should I go?
Go.
I've come to a fork in the road.
Let's try the right side.
Sure?
Yeah. How about you go to the right and I'll go to the left?
What if I go to the left and you go to the right?
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, go.
First then.
Alright, I'll see you on the other side. Ooh.
God,
Wow. That was pretty intense. Oh my gosh. Like seriously, like it's so thin. We're at the very top of the ridge in the middle. Yeah, so the trail goes all the way to there. Probably not gonna go there though.
And back again.
Yeah, and back again. Stupid.
With your hands?
Yep.
Which way do you think?
The left, probably. Like, I was in Boy Scouts, but I think this is the most extreme hiking I've ever done. Yeah. Vegetation. Now we're heading up to the top.
Guava.
Guava. Woo. All the way up. All the way up Mount Doom.
Do it fast.
I don't know about that. Okay. Starting to feel it. All the way. I don't think you guys can quite see how high this is.
Don't film me.
I'm not filming you. I'm filming past you. Oh boy.
Ready?
What were we thinking? Okay.
Yeah, go for it.
Alright, for the Emperor. Oh, here we go. Up, up, up we go. Whew. Taking a break?
Everest.
Everest. Whew. See how far we've come. Started all the way over there.
We're out of shape.
We are out of shape, yes.
There's someone in shape.
Pete's gotta be close by.